Okay, I'm going to show you today how to make some Italian meatballs. Mamma mia, like your Sunday afternoon dinner with your family, especially Italians. So I have 1 pound ground organic, and I like chicken ground meat right here. And I grated some little garlic. First I'm gonna put half a teaspoon. I have black pepper, oregano, powder of onion, and roasted garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, and we're gonna just add these babies in for flavor. Then I'm going to put some almond flour, like we're breading, so they will hold together, right? Half a cup. Then we have half a cup of grated Parmesan, aged, like at least 10 months old, aged. And love the smell. And then I'm gonna put some warm water, maybe 1/4 of a cup. And that's gonna moisture our meatballs. And then 1 whipped beaten egg. And egg is like a glue, you know, put them binder, put them all together, okay? So then we're gonna roll them up like in a right now they're like a cookie dough, okay? Soft, loose, but don't worry, because almond flour and the egg is gonna hold them together. Look, it's already getting thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stove on. You can use any hot pan with a little bit oil, olive oil in it, so they don't stick. I'm gonna drop my bowls now. Okay, nice and easy. Okay guys, I think we're done here. We turn it off. So now we're gonna transfer onto another pan, which I had oiled it. It's smoking. So we're gonna transfer them in another pan because we're going to put them in the air fryer. In a jar of marinara sauce, which doesn't have any sugar, no small carbs. So we're gonna pour some our marinara sauce. Basically, we're making Italian meatballs. Okay, now it's a final. We're gonna put some parsley. Just sprinkle fresh mozzarella. Okay, so we're going to air fry for 350 degree and 20 minutes. And then we're gonna take them out and we're gonna put them on top of our zucchini. So we're gonna bake them for 350 for 20 minutes. Okay, time to take this big boys out of the air fryer, guys. Let's see how they look. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, there you have it. Meatballs, whatever you want to call it, but these are the best air fried Italian meatballs. Try and make your mama happy.